On Tuesday, Reiner Braun, a German journalist, historian and peace activist, had the honor of meeting Hazrat Caliph al-Masih V, may Allah be his helper.
You know, it was for me a great pleasure and honor to meet him. I enjoyed the atmosphere. I enjoyed the aura of the whole discussion and meeting with him. I learned from his wise words. It was a very, very high-level positive event, which comes to the biggest event of people I met in my life.
Reiner is the former executive director of the International Peace Bureau, who had traveled from Germany especially for the meeting which took place in Islamabad.
I think he is also a man with a long tradition of actions and activities for peace. I think his life is connected to peace. And you could feel this, you could hear this, and he finds the right words, I think, to convince not only me, but many, many people to follow this way of peace activism.